Looking for a power cable kit that balances performance, durability, and cost? The Scosche Hybrid OFC Power Cable Kit offers a smart solution with its unique blend of oxygen-free copper and copper-clad aluminum. This hybrid design ensures you get superior conductivity without breaking the bank, making it ideal for anyone serious about upgrading their car audio system. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful construction. The power cable combines heavy-duty oxygen-free copper with copper-clad aluminum, delivering excellent conductivity and durability. Plus, the inline fuse holders come pre-installed with weatherproof covers, simplifying installation while protecting your system. The double-strength ground terminal isn't just durable, it's designed to speed up your setup and boost overall performance. Audio quality matters, too. That's why the kit includes twisted pair RCA cables made from the same high-quality materials. These cables reject noise effectively, so your amplifier delivers cleaner, clearer sound. This attention to detail means you get what you pay for: reliable power and better audio performance. If you're weighing your options, here's some peace of mind. Scosche backs this product with lifetime tech support and a limited lifetime warranty. That means if anything goes wrong, help is just a call away, and your investment is protected for the long haul. Worth a look if you want a power cable kit that delivers solid performance without the premium price tag. If that's you, consider the Scosche Hybrid OFC Power Cable Kit. It's built for easy installation, dependable power, and cleaner sound. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car audio with confidence.